How to find start page content settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find start page content on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera and now click this one, Opera icon, and now click this one here, icon settings, and then here you can find it, start page content. Just click on it and here start page content settings, and that's how to find start page content settings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.